You gotta admit it. It is cool to be able to draw a freehand straight line. Welcome to Drawing with Yusuf.
Welcome back to our drawing series. Artist or not, it is very useful to be able to draw a freehand straight line. But first I have to tell you that our bodies are not designed to draw straight lines. In fact, all our joints move around circular axes. So when trying to draw a straight line, your brain is counteracting the natural circular movement of your body.
If you like today's method, please take the time to subscribe and hit the notifications bell to know about my new videos. There are three main factors that control how you draw a straight line: pressure, speed, and range. I know this sounds like a physics class, and it partially is, but with a hint of biomechanics. Now let's draw some straight lines. Number 1. Range.
The arm movement in drawing generally starts from the shoulder, then the elbow, and finally very little movement from the wrist. Most of the time your wrist will be locked. First, make sure your elbow is not rubbing against the drawing surface. Your arm has to move freely without your elbow bumping against the side of your body.
You should also find out what the maximum range of your arm away from your body is before your straight line starts to curve. Find the best angle of movement for your arm. Rotate the paper according to which angle feels comfortable for you because it differs from one person to another. Also test drawing the line away or towards your body. For example, I'm not very comfortable pulling the lines towards my body. While locking your wrist, draw the line in the air a few times to get a feel of where it's going, then go for it. Number 2. Pressure.
One of the important factors in drawing a straight line is to apply constant pressure from start to end while drawing the line.
Now, applying constant pressure does not mean you have to press too hard. In fact, if you press too hard, your line will come out crooked. So make sure you don't grip your pencil tightly because the tension in your muscles will translate to bumps in your line. In more advanced stages, artists can vary the pressure on purpose to create an aesthetic or dynamic effect to the line, but this needs a bit of training to gain that type of control. Sometimes the way you hold the pencil dictates the pressure. This is the tripod grip, and it's very suitable for short lines. But for longer lines, try to practice the overhand or brush grip, which allows for more flowing extended movement. Remember, your wrist does not move much no matter what the grip is. Number 3. Speed. Speed is another important factor because if you move too fast, your brain won't have enough time to adjust the movement of your arm and keep it on the right path for a straight line. and if you move too slow, you will strain your muscles and end up with another crooked line. So find a comfortable medium speed in between to which your straight lines come out looking good.
It will take a bit of practice to get your line straight, but if you have a piece of paper and pen lying around, give it a try. The benefits are manifold. Now don't forget to hit the notifications bell. Cheers!